Well, hello, all of my crafty friends. It's Kiona, the craft therapist, here today. So, I wanted to pop on and give you guys a really short video because I'm trying to elicit some feedback in a way. So, as most of you guys know, this channel is called Craft Therapy. And the reason that it's called Craft Therapy is because I love crafting. It was something that brought me out of a very dark place and a dark time in my life. And I am by trade a therapist. So currently I do mental health counseling with our military personnel and their family members in an effort to reduce their levels of stress so that they can stay focused on the mission of keeping all of us safe. When I initially created this channel, my goal was to make sure that I could raise awareness of mental health, and not only raise awareness of mental health, but how some of the common things that we do on a day-to-day basis, if utilized correctly and consistently, can be amazing coping skills. You know, I found crafting after I lost my mother, and I just didn't have the will to really live anymore. And so getting into crafting became an outlet. It became a place where I could be selfish. And I know that society has taught us that selfish is a no-no. But we're trying to erase that stigma and explain that you can't pour from an empty cup. You cannot give selflessly and never take time to rejuvenate yourself. And I think that that's what crafting gave me. And it gave me a new start. It gave me a place of peace and happiness, and it really was very instrumental in my grieving process, and now it has become really a part of my everyday life. And so I say all that to say that I am wanting to make a small tweak to the channel. So you guys know that prior to last year, when my life just kind of went off the rails, I was doing a Savior Sunday series because my religion is also very important to me, and that provided me an opportunity to again fuse two things that I really love together. So I am planning to begin a Mental Health Monday series. And so the Mental Health Monday series will be a series of me discussing certain disorders, explaining what those might look like in your life or in the life of others that you love. And also I would like to provide some type of a technique, discuss maybe a treatment modality that works very well for those struggling with those things, or maybe even giving you a particular activity that can be done and I can talk through it, so that you kind of know how those things are done, and it gives you something to practice, because I'm always about building our toolbox of things that we can do in difficult times, because when you have coping skills, you don't have crises, and crises are what usually lead to mental health breakdowns. So I want to know from you guys how you feel about this. Now, of course, I will be creating a card or coloring in the process. I will not actually do a process video, so it will be kind of like the last few videos I've done where I've just been kind of catching up with you guys, but still making a card. And absolutely 100%, if you guys have any questions about whatever I'm doing in the video, I would love for you to email me, message me on Messenger, or pop on over to our Craft Therapy Facebook group, and you can always find me there as well. So I'm planning on beginning that. Hopefully I can do that every Monday or every other Monday, so that you guys will be able to see some crafting, as always, as well as learn about some therapy. So I would like to know what you guys think about that. And I also want to know if there are any particular disorders that anyone is interested in as I get started and start to make an outline of what I would like to do. If there are any particular treatment modalities that you'd like to know more about, whether that be reality therapy, dialectical behavioral therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, you know, the gamut goes very broad with those things. Or if you are interested in techniques, please let me know. So I hope that everything is finding you guys well. I'm so happy to be back and creating more content for you guys, and I am so prayerful that this continues to go well. So if you guys have any questions or would like to help me kind of create this Mental Health Monday, I would love to hear what you have to say down in the comments below. Please, if you know others, share this video with them so that they can come over and gain a little bit extra in their journey to mental health, because mental health is something that we all need to take care of. You don't have to take care of it just because you're having a breakdown. Your mental health is as important as your physical health, and they really should not be separated. So please share this. Please give me some feedback in the comment section. I really would love to hear what you guys have to say. Because again, I tell you guys, I do all of this for you. My sole purpose in creating this community was to have a place that people could come to that is all about crafting and taking care of your mental health. So that's all that I had for you guys for today. I am so glad that you guys took the time to watch and listen. And I'll be looking forward to hearing back from you guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye.